For a digital ride-along, you'll want to take a look at the session reports by clicking Analytics in the left sidebar and selecting Sessions from the expanded menu. A session refers to all activity from when a presentation is launched to when the user returns to the library. This includes content and other presentations accessed via the Open Presentation feature, from the first piece of content to the next piece of content presented. When training your team, be sure to remind them to close out of a presentation when finishing up in the home in order to capture accurate session details. You can see the breakdown of a session by clicking the right-facing arrow to the right of the session itself. The Session Detail Report opens with 3 widgets listing the total duration of the session in minutes and seconds, total page views, and total button clicks. Below these widgets is a chart of events that allow you to see a play-by-play of the session. Each session begins with a large thumbnail and title of the presentation launched. When a page is viewed, the event appears as a medium thumbnail alongside the title of the page viewed. A small lightning bolt icon and an analytic tag for the action will be listed if a button was activated on the page. Along with what happened and the order in which it happened, you have access to the time of day the event occurred and the amount of time the event lasted in seconds. Detailed analytics on how your content is used can help you determine what your best reps are doing in the field and how to coach up the rest of your team to join them in that success.